So we have com comparaciones. Repetir, por favor. Comparaciones. So comparaciones we call as comparisons.
Comparisons.
Yes, comparaciones. So comparaciones we call as comparisons. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
We have comparaciones. Repetir, por favor. Comparaciones. Okay. जैसे मैं बोलता हूँ ना इन इंग्लिश इफ आई से आई कैन नॉट डिसाइड व्हाट टू वियर बिकॉज दिस इज अ कंपैरिजन बेसिकली सो ये जो मॉड्यूल्स हैं बेसिकली ये थोड़े से हायर मॉड्यूल्स पे आते हैं बट मैं आपको बिकॉज वी आर डूइंग अ फास्टर द सुपर इंटेंसिव सेशन राइट
Mm.
तो जैसे आप बोलते हैं आई कैन नॉट डिसाइड व्हाट टू डू आई कैन नॉट डिसाइड व्हाट टू वियर दीज आर द कंपैरिजन अब आई कैन नॉट डिसाइड यू विल से यो नो एक मेरा है व्हाट टू वियर सिंपल No sé qué ropa ponerme. Repeat after me. No sé qué ropa.
No sé qué,
No sé qué.
ropa,
No sé qué. No
no
sé.
sé
Say.
qué,
Over here. Okay, I will explain to you. First, you will repeat this. No sé qué. No sé qué.
no sé qué,
No sé qué. Repetir por favor. No sé qué ropa.
no
Repetir
sé
por
qué,
favor. So over here we have a say. Say is my verb. Say, yo say. So this is my verb basically, saber. So this is my, I will explain to you, very important topic. So this is my say. Over here say, we have verb saber. Saber is my verb to know. Saber
saber
is
is
my
my
verb
verb
to
to
know.
know.
Por favor, saber. Saber is my verb to know. Is it clear to you? Saber. Is it clear to you?
Okay,
So what is saber
yeah,
conjugation? If I asked you what is saber conjugation, basically saber is my verb to know. So I will say yo say, tu sabes, ella sabe, nosotros sabemos. Over here, I cannot say so. No, yo say. This is a rule of the verbs. You cannot say yo so. No. Sabe is my verb to know. If I will say I know, I cannot say yo so. No.
no,
Yo say. Then onward we have the same thing. Sabes, sa, emos, is in. We have a ER conjugation. So yo sé, tú sabes, él ella sabe, nosotros sabemos, vosotros sabéis, and
nosotros
ellos
sabemos,
ellas saben. So repetir por
okay,
favor. Yo sé, tú sabes, él ella sabe, nosotros sabemos, vosotros sabéis, and ellos ellas saben. Is it clear to you?
yeah,
So if I'm saying no sé qué, no sé qué is what? No, no.
I can, I
No sé.
cannot,
Yeah, yes, I do not know. No sé qué. It means I do not know what to wear. It means I cannot. See, can. We have verb for there. Okay. But over here we cannot go for a literal translation. Simple, I'm saying I do not know. I will say I do not know what to wear.
mm,
I will say I do not know. No sé qué ropa. 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 Is it clear to you? This is something like ropa, ropa is my verb to, is
my
my
verb
verb
clothes,
to
wear,
clothing. Is it clear to you?
clothing,
But over
mm,
here, what I'm using repetir por favor, no sé qué ropa ponerme. So what is ponerme over here? Poner. So basically, bro, poner. Poner is my verb to basically to put, poner.
poner,
Yes,
to put,
we have verb poner because the moment will stretch the batch. Will step by step you will come to know a lot of different things in science of the language. जितना आप टाइम स्पेंड करते हो ट्रेनिंग में क्योंकि क्या होता है
mm,
ट्रेनिंग बहुत वास्ट चलती है टॉपिक्स चलते हैं तो डेली
mm,
बेसिस पे कोई नई चीज निकल के आती है बिकॉज वी आर ट्राइंग आवर बेस्ट वेर इन यू विल एटलीस्ट पिक द पैटर्न ऑफ द स्पेन सो वी आर वर्ब poner repetir por favor poner repetir. Now you came to know saber and don't forget saber now. So we have verb poner. Is it clear to you? So poner is
yeah,
verb to,
is my verb to put,
yes, poner. Is it clear to you? So
yeah,
now for example, if I will say poner, So what would be my conjugation? So yo pongo. Yes, exactly. So if I will go for a conjugation for I put, you put, that is yo pongo. Exactly. So repeat after me because this is only the verb which you have to do practice. Poner is my verb to put. Poner. Is it
Okay,
clear?
but poner is a er ending verb, right?
Yes, yes.
So it would be yo pono.
No, 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 no.
No.
In your case, no, 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 no. We have yo pongo. I will explain to you entire thing like how it works. But first, repeat after me, poner. So poner is my verb
Poner.
to put. Is it clear to you? Is it
Put.
clear to you?
Okay.
Poner is very important topic. Poner is my verb to put. So how to conjugate poner verb? So I will say yo pongo, but I will say yo pongo. Yo pongo is to I put.
Yo
Yo,
pongo.
yes. My poner is not pono. No, 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 no. Because that's a rule of my Spanish. Because अभी जो हम साथ भाई जो पैटर्न कर रहे हैं वो A2 प्लस कर रहे हैं पैटर्न. A1 तो हमारा कब का जा चुका है साइड पे. We are doing A2 plus pattern. A2 plus pattern में
Okay.
कुछ ऐसी verbs आती हैं which you will come to know. Like yo pongo, tu pones. आगे we have the same. Ella pone, nosotros ponemos, vosotros ponéis, and ellos ponen. So yo pongo, repetir por favor, yo pongo, tú pones, repetir por favor, yo pongo, tú pones, ella pone, nosotros
El ella
ponemos,
pone.
vosotros
Okay. Pone.
ponéis, and ellas ponen. Is it clear to you?
No sé. Ponemos.
Yes, because we have verb poner. So poner is my verb to put. So repetir por favor, yo pongo, tú pones. Repetir por favor, yo pongo is to I put. Tú pones is
Okay.
to you put. Él, ella pone is to he, she puts. Nosotros ponemos is to we put. Vosotros ponéis is to we put. Sorry, you put in terms of a formal. And ellas ponen is we have.
Pone.
Ustedes is ponen. So vosotros ponéis in terms of a formal, we have a gathering of the person. So yo pongo, tú pones, él, ella, usted pone, nosotros ponemos, vosotros ponéis, and ellas, ustedes ponen. Is it clear to you?
Correct.
Clear? So what is my sentence? If I will say no sé qué, no sé qué, I do not know what to wear. No sé qué, what, qué.
No sé qué ropa ponerme. I can.
Ponerme,
I cannot.
I put, ponerme, I put, ponerme, कहते हैं दार में, give it to me, दार में, we have done दार में. So me, ponerme. So if you, then we have full verb with me. Full verb poner
Me.
with me. Is it clear to you?
Ponerme.
Yes,
It's
we have
little.
full verb with me. There is no sé qué ropa ponerme. I do not know what clothing to wear. No sé qué ropa ponerme. Is it clear to you? No sé
Okay.
qué ropa ponerme.
No
I do
sé
not.
qué ropa ponerme.
Yes. No sé qué ropa ponerme. I do not know.
Ponerme.
Yes, ponerme. Is it clear to you?
Hmm.
Clear? Now.
No sé qué ropa ponerme. Okay.
Yes. Is it clear to you?
That's clear.
Now, for example, I will say, for example, if I will say ahora, so ahora is basically we call it as now. If I will say now it is hot, okay, I will write it down. The English also, because we are doing the comparisons, right?
Ahora.
Yes. For example, if I will say now it is hot, now it is hot, but later it will be colder. देखो later को बोलते हैं después, after. Repeat after
Yeah,
me.
this quiz. Yeah.
Después, right? Have you done después? Right?
Yeah, we did.
Después. So वो ahora hace, it is calor, hace calor, pero but después it will be. So Ara, because we have it will be. I will explain to you. Ara, it will be más frío. So repeat after
Más.
Frio. Frio is my cold. Más is my more. So ahora now hace calor. It is hot. Hace calor. क्योंकि फरहाद भाई एक चीज ध्यान रखना, whenever we are explaining something, it is hot, it is colder. If you're talking for a weather condition, यूरोपियन लैंग्वेज में क्या
हम्म
होता है, चाहे वो फ्रेंच भी हो, whenever you are explaining your weather condition, चाहे वो फ्रेंच हो, it could be a Spanish, in यूरोपियन लैंग्वेज में एक प्लेटफॉर्म चलता है, understand the concern. If you are explaining the weather condition, you have to use a sail verb.
hacer
Yes, a sail is my verb to make. A sail
hacer is my word.
is my verb
Yeah.
to make. A sail. A sail is my verb to make. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
If I talk for a French language, वहाँ भी अगर if I want to explain the weather condition, I have to use make verb, which we call as faire. I just want to explain to you what is European language. Faire is my verb to make. ऐसे ही we have to, okay, we have to use this thing. Say Claire. So if I will say now it is hot, so over here I'm saying hace calor. Is it?
Hace calor.
Yes. Now why hace? Because
Yeah,
we
it's a
have,
question.
yes, because we have a save verb. Because the moment, one second, please watch. One second, I'm just getting a text. Please watch because it will really help you out. One second, yeah. I'm just getting a message from one of the student. Please watch because it will really help you out. No problem. Okay, right, all right.
Now
Ahora
ahora
hacer. So
hacer.
basically, hacer is my verb to make. Hacer.
Hmm.
Very important, hacer. Hacer is my verb to make. So
Make.
repeat after me. It is very important whenever you are using, because this is something like a heavy pattern now which we are already entered, right?
Hmm.
So over here, if you are explaining the weather condition, now repeat por favor. If you are explaining the weather condition, it is just you have to use hacer verb. That's very simple. If
Okay,
you're,
I'll just note it down.
yes, if you're explaining,
If we are explaining weather condition,
yes, if you're explaining the weather condition, you have to use a said verb, which is my verb to make. Is it clear to you? Now,
hacer verb.
yes, now what is my hacer conjugation? What is my, one second, hacer conjugation? So repeat it por favor. Yo hago,
Yo hago.
it means I make. Yo hago. Is it clear to you?
Yo hago.
Is it clear to you? Tú
Tú,
haces. Repetir, por
tú
favor.
haces.
Yes.
Tú
Tú,
haces.
tú haces. Repetir, por favor. Yo
Él, ella,
hace.
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 Hace, sorry. Hace. Yeah.
Basically, देखो,
Nosotros.
very as same conjugation. It is just like your poner we have pongo. Hacer we have ago. Decir
Hago.
we have digo. We have done.
Digo.
Right. So these are the important pattern for A2 plus pattern we have. So yo hago, tú haces, él, ella hace, nosotros hace. Again, we have same conjugation. But the moment I want to explain my weather condition, I have to use hacer verb. Is it clear to you? So yo hago,
Hacer.
tú haces, él, ella hace, nosotros hacemos, vosotros
Vosotros
hacéis,
hacéis.
and ellos, ellas hacen. Is it clear to you?
Hacen. Yeah.
Clear? So it is
Mm-hmm.
something like, if you want to explain if I will say now it is hot, so I will say ahora hace, because weather is my elia conjugation, hace calor. Because
Calor.
weather, yes, hace. Why hace? Because that is conjugate with el ella. So ahora hace calor, pero, but later, después, it will be colder, very colder, más frío, but it will. Now you have to understand about the future of acerva because it will be colder. It will be colder.
It will be colder. It will be so. It
So
would be
already
ara.
yes, because what we have done. Okay, let me write it down over here. Re, ras. We have done already. Re,
Future.
yes. Re, ras, ra. Is it clear to you? Repetir, por favor. Re,
Re, ras,
ra,
ra,
remos,
reemos,
reis,
reis,
ran.
ran.
This is your future basically. Re,
Yeah.
ras, ra,
Okay.
remos,
I have
reis.
a question here.
Mm-hmm.
I have a question here.
Mm-hmm.
The for future conjugations,
Mm-hmm.
AR ending verbs, ER ending verbs, and IR ending verbs, would it remain the same
Yes, that will be
formula?
same. Yes, yes, exactly.
Okay.
Clear?
So future always would be
Only
re,
we have a
ras,
difference.
ra,
Yeah. Only we have a
remos,
difference.
reis, ran.
Yes. Only we have difference in your present tense. Right. Say clear.
Okay.
Right.
Preterite also will remain the same.
Preterite, yes, exactly. No. Preterite में भी change होता है ना. We have
Change
aste
होगा. Right.
because we have aste.
So basically,
We have iste. We have astes.
yeah.
We have istes. Right.
So what I understood is
Mm-hmm.
preterite and present
Mm-hmm.
both will change a bit,
Yes.
but future and conditional
Mm-hmm.
would remain the same.
Exactly. Exactly. Say clear. Clear. Now, repetir por favor. Yo haré, tú harás, él, ella hará, nosotros haremos, vosotros haréis, and ellos, ellas harán. Say clear.
Aran.
Is it clear to you?
Correct. This is
I will make,
Su-
you will
future.
make, he shall will make. But whenever I'm explaining you the weather condition, we have to use a say verb. Say clear. Is it clear
Yes.
to you?
No. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
So, for example, if I will say it will be called, future की बात कर रहा हूँ, तो después मैं pero después hará más frío. It will be colder. If I say now it is hot, ahora hace calor, hace verb, pero después hará más frío. Is it clear to you?
Ere después hará más frío. Frío means cold.
Yes. Calor is my garam,
Hot.
and frío is my cold. Is it clear to you?
Yeah, it's clear to me.
The entire notepad
And-
I will share with you, but yes, obviously you have to understand this concept is very important. देखो ये कंपैरिजंस है, कंपैरिजन्स थोड़ा टफ आएगा, बहुत टफ भी आ सकता है, बिकॉज ये जो एक लेवल है ना, ये लेवल थोड़ा डिफरेंट लेवल है जो मैं आपको करवा रहा हूँ, क्योंकि ये एक थर्ड स्टेप की ओर हम बढ़े हैं अभी. वैसे ही आई जस्ट चूज अ थर्ड स्टेप, लेट्स सी हाउ इट वर्क्स. राइट. सो इफ आई विल से फॉर एग्जांपल, what do I wear? Because I'm just trying to explain to you like how to make a question answer. I will say que me pongo. I wear. I put. Yo pongo होता है, yo pongo. Poner, yo pongo.
Yeah. Poner, to put.
Yes, pongo. If you will say, what do I wear? What?
What
Do I wear? If you will say,
what do I wear?
yes.
Que
What
me pongo.
exactly? What do I wear? I will say, que me pongo. What do I wear? Que me pongo. Is it clear to you? Que
Yeah.
me pongo. What should मैं क्या पहनूं अब बोलो, because this is normal sentence in English, but in Spanish because अभी आप सीख रहे हो, तो अगर आप ये बोलोगे que me pongo, is it clear to you? So it will really help you out. Que me pongo. Is it clear to you? So que me pongo is what do I wear? Is it clear to you? Que me pongo.
Yeah.
Is it clear to you?
Yeah, it's clear to me.
Clear? I will say que me pongo. What do I wear? Now repeat after me. No sé que ropa ponerme.
No sé que ropa ponerme. Ahora hace calor, pero después hará más frío.
¿Qué me pongo?
¿Qué me pongo?
Yes. Is it clear to you? Now,
Yeah.
we have a next term. Okay.
Okay. Here I want to ask you, if there is a question, what should I wear? So
Then we have debate verb. Have you done debate verb?
debate.
Debate. Have you done debate verb? Hello. I will
think
explain. I will explain to you. If you will say what should I wear, मैं क्या पहनूं? I will say que debería vestir. Vestir. Que debería vestir. Now over here we have a vestir. I'm saying vestir. Why? Repeat por favor. Vestir. S'il vous plaît. Revestir. Vestir is my verb. Say this is my verb. Is it clear to you? So vestir is my verb to basically to dress up, you know, to dress, to wear. Vestir.
vestir.
Yes, vestir. Is it clear to you? So
And debería.
debería is must. I will explain to you. Don't worry. So vestir
Okay.
is my verb to you know put on to dress up. So I will say yo visto, tú vistes, él ella viste, nosotros vestimos,
Vestimos, vosotros
vosotros
vestís,
vestís,
ellos, ellas visten.
ellos ellas visten. Is it clear to you?
Visten.
Now
Yeah.
over here we have verb deber. Raj bhai, deber, very important verb. Deber is my verb to must. Is it clear to you?
Deber is my verb to must.
Yes. Repeat por favor. Deber is my verb to must, which is very important.
Must.
So you say, what should I
Okay.
wear? So wear we have
So
vestir, vestir. Repeat por favor. Vestir. Is it clear to you?
so it would be yo debo, yo tú debes, él ella debe,
Yes.
nosotros debemos, vosotros debéis, ellos ellas deben. Correct?
Exactly. Clear? So deber is
Okay.
the verb to must. So what is this? The conjugation yo debo, tú debes, él ella debe, nosotros debemos, vosotros debéis, and ellos ellas deben. Is it clear? I will say, if you will say, what should I wear? So what I will do? ¿Qué debería vestir? Is it clear to you? ¿Qué
Okay.
debería vestir? Look, what would I like to wear? ¿Qué debería? Repeat por favor. Okay.
Okay.
Is it clear to you? So ¿qué debería?
Que debería vestir.
Yes. Is it clear to you?
What should I wear? Vestir means
Vestir is my
to
verb to dress
wear,
up. To dress up.
to
Yes.
dress up.
So over here, because this is the sense of the language, we have poner verb. Poner is my verb to what? I can
Put.
use what I should put
So
on.
we can also use what should okay, que debería poner.
Yes. Yes. I can say like this. Is it clear to you?
Okay.
Clear?
Correct.
Now, if I will say pantalón corto y pantalón largo, वो confuse हो रहा है कि मैं क्या पहनूं? कह रहे हैं
Pantalon means pant.
yes, pantalón corto, short pant पहनूं.
Pantalon corto or pantalon largo. Yeah.
Yes.
Should I wear short pant or long pant?
Yes, exactly. Clear to you? Then he's saying, okay, I will explain to you. Then he's saying, okay. We have believe, pray. Very important. Very important. You use a lot of time. Okay. Creo is very important verb. So basically, we have verb create. We have verb create. Very important verb.
Creo que la mejor
So
opción
Mhm. Okay, I will explain to you.
Option means option.
Yes. So first I will say create. Okay. First you want to understand this create verb. That create verb. Is it clear to you?
Create.
Yes.
C-R-E-R.
Create. Create is my verb to believe. I will say yo creo. Tu crees. Ella cree.
To believe.
Yes. Nosotros creemos. Vosotros creéis. And ellas creen. So yo creo. Go over here. Yo creo. Here. Tú crees. Ella cree. Nosotros creemos. Vosotros creéis. And ellas, ustedes creen. Is it clear to you? So
Okay.
for this reason, we are saying creo que. I believe that. Creo que. Repeat after me. Creo que. You will say creo que.
Creo que
Yes.
la mejor opción es el largo porque estaré fuera todo el día.
Yes. Now creo que. He's saying, I believe that. What he believe in.
I believe that.
He will say, I believe
I
that.
believe that
Mejor.
mejor option.
Yeah, the best option. कहते हैं la
The
mejor.
best option is
Yes.
to
is-
wear large because
Because
large pant because
estaré
estaré
fuera. I
estar
will fuera. Fuera is my out. Fuera. Fuera is basically your just now you are going. Fuera. Fuera is basically your out. Okay. So we have estaré fuera todo el día. It means estaré. Estaré. Why? Because I will be out all day. Now fuera. Fuera.
all day.
Yes, I will be out. Fuera. Fuera. I will be out all day. ये खुद ही अपना conjugate करके आया है. Creo que la mejor opción. I think that the option is el largo. The option is long. Porque estaré fuera todo el día. It means because I will be out all day. Fuera outside. Is it clear to you? Clear? Sure?
It's clear to me. Yeah, it's clear to me. Fuera means out. Todo all día, all day.
Clear to you? Now I'm using a vocab. It's again very important. Hoy, repetir por favor. Hoy me voy a comprar un vehículo, pero no sé cuál elegir. Very important. I will explain to you. Let me write it down. यहाँ तक समझ आ रहा है आपको?
हाँ, ये समझ आ गया मुझे.
Hoy is my today. Hoy. Hoy is my today. Hoy. Hoy me voy. Today I'm going to buy, comprar un vehículo. To buy a vehicle. Hoy me voy. Today I'm going to buy a vehicle. Pero no sé cuál elegir. I don't know which one to choose. Pero sé cuál. Cuál is which one? लिख लो please. Very important.
मैं लिख रहा हूँ.
Cuál. Cuál is in which? In which one? Cuál. Repeat out please. Cuál.
Hoy me voy a comprar un vehículo, pero no sé cuál elegir.
It means today I'm going to buy a vehicle, but I do not know much choice. One has to choose in the school. Is it clear to you? So repeat
Yeah, it's clear.
Hoy me voy a comprar un vehículo, pero no sé cuál elegir. Today I'm going to buy a vehicle. If you say in Spanish, today I'm going to buy a vehicle, what do you say? Hoy, today, me voy, I'm going. You know, yo voy. Have you done olive?
Hoy me voy
to buy a comprar un vehicle.
comprar
Don't you think so? It's very simple. Hoy me voy a comprar un vehículo, pero no sé cuál elegir. But I do not know which one to choose.
pero no sé cuál elegir.
I do not know what to choose. Is it clear to you?
Okay, I do not know what to choose.
Is it clear to you?
Fine.
So today
Yeah.
I'm going to buy a vehicle. So hoy me voy a comprar una vehicle, pero no me elegir. Pero no sé cuál elegir. It means, but I do not know which one to choose. ¿Cuál? Clear to you?
Which one to choose? I
Yes.
do not know what to choose.
Yes. Or which one to choose. Is it clear to you?
Okay. Or which one to choose? Okay.
Is it clear to you?
Yeah, it's clear to me.
For example, now repetir por favor. Repetir por favor. Hoy me voy a comprar un vehículo.
Hoy me voy a comprar un vehículo. A comprar un vehículo, pero no sé cuál elegir.
Yes. Then you will say, me gustan, I like. Very
Me
important.
gustan tanto los coches como las motos.
Exactly.
Coches means car.
Yes.
Motos means motor.
Why gustan? Because we have a plural.
I like.
I like both cars, tanto los coches. Tanto los coches como las motos. If I'm saying over here, I like tanto. Repeat after me, tanto. Tanto is something like so much, so much. So I like so much the cars. Como. Repetir por favor. Como. Como is what? Como las motos. It means he's saying, I like so much the car. What then of the motorcycle? Is it clear to you? So me gustan tanto los coches means I like so much of the car as compared like them, because we have a comparison over here, comparison. Como las motos, like the motorcycles. It means in comparison of the motorcycles, not like to person.
Motos means motorcycles, right?
Yes. So उसे नोचेस बहुत पसंद है. Me gustan tanto las
उसे
coches.
कार ज्यादा पसंद है मोटरसाइकिल से.
Yes, como is like that of motorcycles. Clear to you?
Okay.
Is it clear to you? So,
yeah, I'll just note it. Me gustan tanto
los coches
los coches
como like
como las
motos.
como las motos.
Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now we have a next thing is sin embargo. Embargo basically very important, very important. ये बोलना है अब आपको हायर मॉड्यूल में. हम बोलते हैं ना
Sin embargo.
Sin embargo is how.
Sin. Is that the same embargo?
Sin embargo. Repetir por favor.
Las motos son más económicas que los coches. Motorcycles are more economical than the cars.
Yes, safe. Seguras.
Aunque monos seguras.
देखो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ. Sin embargo, which is however. Now these are connectors. वो हम B1 में बताते हैं connectors आपको, लेकिन dependency में आप हर एक module साथ करते हो. So sin embargo, however, las motos, the motorcycles, son are más económicas, बहुत cheaper que los coches, aunque it means then cheaper than cars, although aunque menos seguros, although less safe. वो ये बोल रहा है आपको. Is it clear to you? Sin embargo, however, las motos son más económicas, the motorcycle is very economical, que los coches. That is a comparison, que los, that of the car, que los. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Okay. That is although. Okay.
Although.
Okay. Menos is,
Okay means although.
yes. Menos is your less. Menos क्या होता है आपका less. And
Less.
seguras is your safe, safety, safe.
Although less safer.
Yes.
Okay.
Economical.
Although, okay. Sin embargo, however,
Mhm.
the cars, the motorcycles are more economical than the cars, although less safe.
Yes, seguras. Is it clear to you?
Seguras means safe. Okay.
Is it
Seguras means safe.
clear to you?
Yeah, it's clear to me.
You say no sé qué hacer. No sé, very important phrase. Very important phrase. बहुत important phrase. No sé qué hacer. I do not know what to do. बोलते हैं आप I do not know what to do. बोलो no
I
sé.
do not know what to do.
No says I don't. I know ना. Saber verb say yo say. Saber verb में हमने किया yo say. No says I do not know.
Yeah. Saber kiya हमने.
Right. No sé qué hacer. Do not know what to do. ¿Qué hacer? What to do? Speak up. ¿Qué hacer?
What to do? No sé qué hacer. Do not know what to do.
बोलते हैं no sé qué hacer.
Know what to do.
Yes. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Clear? Now. Quiero un vehículo confortable y bonito. Very important. Quiero. You know, career verb का नाम have you done career verb? Yo quiero, tú quieres.
Yes, we did.
Quiero un vehículo confortable. I want a comfortable and beautiful vehicle. Y bonito. Is it clear to you?
I want
Comfortable, comfortable, bonito, beautiful vehicle.
Yeah, comfortable and beautiful vehicle.
Then you will say el más bonito de todos.
El más.
Very important.
I'm not able to see. Scroll it.
El más bonito de todos. El más bonito is what? The most beautiful of all. The most beautiful.
El más bonito de todos.
The most beautiful of all. Clear to you?
Yeah.
Clear? El más bonito
It's clear.
de todos. Is it clear to you? Then you will say,
De todos.
very important thing, which I'm going to explain to you.
The most beautiful of all.
Now, okay, we have a verb ir. In Spanish, ir is my verb to go, right?
To go. Yeah, we did earlier.
You say, I will go to a painting course. Then, I will go to a painting course. Then I will say después.
I'll go to a painting course.
Después, after that, after all. I will go. So we have re ras. हमने have done future. तो क्या आ जाएगा iré. Iré a in corcilo de pintura.
Después means painting.
नहीं, after then. After that. They're not painting. Después,
Okay.
after that. Iré a un corcillo de pintura.
Después iré Un cursillo de pintura. Cursillo means course.
Yes, it means then I will go to a painting course. Clear to you? Pintura. Clear to you?
Okay.
Clear? Now, for example,
Yes.
we will apply the same thing. Conoceré las abrotas de muchos pintores antiguos y las de otros más modernos. Very important. Conoceré. These are very beautiful vocabularies. I will get to know because we have a verb. Conocer. Conocer is my verb that you will come to know, to meet. Conocer. Conocer basically is my verb. Conocer is my very important verb of conocer. Very important verb. Conocer basically to know and to meet. लिख लो please. Conocer.
Conocer is my verb too.
To meet and to know. Stand out please. Conocer. Conocer is my verb to meet basically. Use of that.
Meet.
Yes.
Conocer is my verb to conocere.
Is my verb to
No.
meet. Is it clear to you? Conocer. So if I will say
Conocer is my
conoscere, if I will say conoscere, so what vocab I'm using? Conoscere. I will say I will get to know. I will come to know. Conoscere, futuro.
Conoceré las obras de muchos pintores antiguos y las de otros más modernos.
Las obras, that is to works. Las obras. I will come to know. I will get to know. Conoscere. If you say I will come to know, I will get to know, that is conoscere, because we have future. Is it clear to you? Clear? So conoscere is
What
my,
is las obras?
okay. क्या कह रहे हो आप? What is?
Conocer
Las
las
that is to works. Obras, works.
obras.
Conoceré las obras de muchos pintores antiguos. It means I will come to know the work of many ancient painters. Sorry, I did not get your voice. So that's why.
De muchos pintores and
So
ancient
conoceré.
painters
Conoceré.
and
Yes. Conoceré
las
obras de muchos
las de otros
pintores.
and some modern painters work.
Yes. I will get to know work of many ancient painters. Las obras de muchos pintores antiguos. Antiguos is precedent. Precedent.
Yeah, antique.
Yeah, that is something like your ancient, right?
Ancient. Yeah.
I will say conoceré las obras. I will come to know the works de muchos pintores, of many ancient painters. And las de otros más modernos. And las de otros. Las de otros is las, those of others, more moderns. Those of other, more modern. Is it clear to you? Is it clear to you?
Okay. Okay. The whole sentence means I will come to know the work of many old painters and
Other more.
the work other more modern painters.
Yes, because we have lost those of. Clear to you?
Perfecto.
Clear? Now,
Yeah.
very important to understand again, because this is a very ये टॉपिक है जो बहुत हैवी टॉपिक चलता है. क्लियर?
Yeah, it's very heavy.
ठीक है, क्योंकि लैंग्वेज में क्या है, अब हम वो सब चीजें नहीं है, अब वो आप ऑलरेडी उसी को क्लोज कराए हो. हाँ चले कंपैरिजन कर रहे हैं अभी ये कंपैरिजन का टॉपिक हमारा माइंड 1 महीना तक चलता है कंपैरिजन हमारा क्योंकि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है ये राइट सो comparaciones तभी तो एक लैंग्वेज में वर्ड आता है ना बोलो no sé qué ropa ponerme repeat after
No
me
sé qué ropa ponerme.
I do not know what to wear
Sabe,
if you will say I
I
don't
do not know what.
know if you I don't know what to wear what you say
I do not know what to wear. No
no
sé qué ropa
ropa
ponerme.
yes if you will say saber verb you say tú sabes
Yo sé, tú sabes,
बोलो
él,
आपको
ella, usted sabe, nosotros sabemos, vosotros sabéis, ellos, ellas, ustedes saben. No poner, poner, yo pongo, tú pones, él, ella, usted pone, nosotros ponemos, vosotros ponéis, ellos, ellas ponen. Ahora hace calor, pero después hará más frío. Now it is hot, but later it will be colder. Hacer to
we have
make.
hacer
Yo
verb
hago,
yes is it clear to you
yo hago, tú haces, él hace,
Mhm.
nosotros hacemos, vosotros hacéis, ellos, ellas hacen. Yo haré, tú harás, él hará, nosotros haremos, vosotros haréis, ellos, ellas harán. ¿Qué me pongo? What do I wear?
yes
¿Qué me pongo? Pantalón corto a pantalón largo.
yes
¿Qué debería vestir?
what should
Yo
I
visto, what should I wear? Okay, what should I wear? Yo visto, tú vistes, él y ella viste, nosotros vestimos, vosotros vestéis, ellos y ellas visten. Creo que la mejor opción es el largo porque estaré fuera todo el día. Creer. Okay,
ये
yo
समझ आया आपको
creo.
एक सेकेंड सर भाई ये समझ आया आपको creo que
क्या?
creo que I
Creo que.
believe that I believe that
Creo que. I think the
best
best option
option
is the long one because I will be out all the day.
very good so we have creer verb is my verb to believe so
Creer
you
verb, yo creo, tú crees, él y ella cree, nosotros creemos, vosotros creéis, ellos y ellas creen.
yes
Hoy me voy, hoy me, hoy me voy
hoy
a
hoy
comprar.
hoy me voy a comprar un vehículo
Hoy,
pero
hoy me voy
no sé
a
cuál
comprar
elegir
un vehículo, pero no sé cuál elegir.
is it clear to you
Ya,
me gusta
hoy me voy a comprar un vehículo, pero no sé cuál
¿Cuál?
elegir.
¿Cuál? ¿Cuál is which one?
¿Cuál?
Is it clear to you? Me
Okay,
gusta
what is the meaning?
elegir
Elegir
is to choose.
is to choose. Okay, which one is to choose?
Yeah.
I'm going to buy a vehicle. I do not know which one to choose.
Exactamente. Okay.
Okay, me gustan tanto los coches como las motos. I like the cars.
Like
I like cars. I like
that,
cars much
then that of motor,
than
then that of
the
motorcycle.
motorcycle.
Yes.
Okay. Sin embargo, las motos son más económicas que los coches, aunque menos seguras. Although motors
Last,
are
more
last.
economical,
Motors are more economical than the cars.
although less safe.
Although
Less safe.
Less safe. No sé qué hacer.
What to do? I do not know. No sé.
Do not know what to do. I do not know what to do.
Yes.
El más bonito de todos.
Yes. This is
El más bonitos de todos.
it means
Okay.
it is more beautiful de todos of all. Is it clear?
It is more beautiful
Of all. De todos.
of all. Beautiful of all. Beautiful of
Todos we
all.
have lot of. Todos. Todos we have
Okay.
lot of. Is it clear to you?
Ir to go, then I'll go. Okay. Después iré a un cursillo de pintura.
Yes.
Then I will go to a painting course.
Yes.
Conoceré las obras de muchos pintores antiguos y las de otros más modernos. Conocer, okay, to me.
Yes.
And this line means I will come to know the work of many old painters and other more modern painters.
Exactly. Clear to you. अब एक
Yes,
काम
bro.
करना, क्योंकि सेशन को बहुत स्लो आगे खींचना है और एकदम से पेस बनता है जब आप ये करते हो कंपैरिजंस, तो थोड़ा सा हैवी है, क्योंकि जहाँ तक मुझे लग रहा है ये थोड़ा सा हैवी है, तो अगर मैं और आगे करता हूँ तो मे बी थोड़ा सा आपको दिक्कत ना आए, क्योंकि इसमें वर्ब ने देखो आसेर, पोनेर, क्लियर, वेस्तीर, क्लियर, आगे करना तो आई विल एक्सप्लेन टू यू, बट इज इट लाइक यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड नाउ कोनोसेरेलोस, इस पे आपको टाइम निकालना है कम से कम हाफ एन आवर, इसी लाइन पे ही बनाना है। कोनोसे इज माय वर्ब टू मीट, सो कोनोसेरे las obras de muchos pintores antiguos y las de otros más modernos. Is it clear to you?
Okay.
क्लियर हो रहा है आपको?
हाँ क्लियर हो रहा है मुझे, मैं इस पे कुछ बनाता हूँ, मैं भेजता हूँ फिर।
सो कुछ भी आप बनाओ वो जो, क्योंकि प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि जब हम एक अभी हमने नेक्स्ट लेवल पे ऑलरेडी हमने जंप किया है, हमने एक अगले लेवल पे जंप किया है, अब जब मैं अगले लेवल पे जंप करूंगा उसमें क्या होगा, नॉर्मल चीजें आई विल एक्सप्लेन टू यू, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल व्हाट आई विल डू नाउ विद द नेक्स्ट लेवल व्हिच वी जंप्ड ऑन, राइट? तो आई विल से también practicare, देखो मैं सारा फ्यूचर लेके आ रहा हूँ, también practicare tanto pintura al óleo como acuarela. Very important, very important. वो अब आपको बिल्कुल नई वोकैबुलरीज मिल रही है यहाँ पे, क्लियर? So aquarela is something like, you know, aqua we have water, aqua. So aquarela we basically we have a watercolor. Is it clear to you?
Aguarela.
Yes, aquarela we have a watercolor. We have oleo. Repeat por favor. Oleo is your oil. I will say también practicare. También also. I will also practice. También also. Practicare. Future. Practice. Tanto. Lot of. I will also practice tanto pintura al oleo. The painting, the oil painting basically. Oleo.
Okay.
Oleo क्या है? Oil painting.
Oil.
And watercolor. Como aquarela.
Aguarela.
And watercolor. So también practicaré. I will también also I will practice tanto both practicaré. Okay. También tanto pintura. Perdón. So we have también practicaré tanto pintura al óleo como acuarela. Is it clear to you? Now repeat por favor. También practicaré tanto pintura al óleo como acuarela. Repeat it, please.
I'm not able to see the pad.
Not able to see the notepad?
No.
Let me share the notepad. Is it fine now? También practicaré.
También
Also
practicaré.
También
Tanto pintura.
Practicaré. Also I will practice. Tanto, lot of. Okay. If I will say
Pintura.
practicaré tanto pintura.
Al oleo, oil paintings, como and watercolors.
Yes. I will also practice both oil painting and a watercolor painting. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
फिर okay. Then I will say por lo tarde. Por lo tarde, very important. Volvere a casa, very important. Now I will explain to you what it is. Now over here we have por la tarde, in the afternoon. Volvere is my verb to come back. Volvere. Volvere, I will come back. Volveré. I will come back. Volveré. Is it clear to you? Is it clear to you?
Por
Volveré.
la tarde.
Is to,
Volveré.
yes, it's my verb. Volveré. Very important verb to come back. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Volveré. Is it clear to you?
Volveré is my verb to come back.
Yes. थोड़ा सा come back होना volveré. Is it clear to you? Volveré.
Come back. Okay. Yes.
Volveré is to return, to come back. Okay.
To come back.
So the moment I will conjugate volveré verb, that's a different ending. That's a totally different ending. Is it clear to you? That is yo vuelvo. So volveré है ना volveré. Okay, I will explain to you. We have verb volveré. Clear?
Volver.
Yes. No. That O is converted into UE. In case of present verb conjugation, your O is converted into UE. So क्या आ जाएगा?
Vuelve.
ये vuelvo. वो क्योंकि yo vuelvo होगा ना.
Vuelvo.
Vuelvo. Vuelvo. Tell me yes or no. Yo vuelvo, tú vuelves. Repetir, por favor. Tú vuelves. Repetir, por favor. Tú vuelves. Is it clear to you? So yo
Vuelves. Okay.
vuelvo. Tú vuelves. That is to return. I come back. I return. Volere verb. Repeat after me. Volere verb. So yo vuelvo, tú vuelves. Ella vuelve. Is it clear to you? Nosotros, you know, volvemos ही रहेगा. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Okay.
Volver.
Same रहेगा हमारा.
Yo
volve.
vuelvo. Yo vuelvo. Tú vuelves. Nosotros, vosotros, same रहेगा.
Yes. And ellos, ellas, ustedes vuelven. Vuelven, basically. So repetir, por favor. Yo vuelvo, tú vuelves, ella vuelve, nosotros volvemos, vosotros volvéis, and ellos, ellas vuelven. Is it clear to you? Tell me yes.
Yes.
Is it clear to you?
Yes, it's
so
clear to
you
me.
have to practice like this. Is it?
I have to do it.
So volere, देखो वो a lot of vocab podere we have done, right? There are a lot of vocab you will come to know on daily basis. Say clear. So language is all about you based upon the verbs also. Is it clear to you? Clear?
Okay. Yes, it's clear.
So now you are
I'll
saying
just do some practice.
yo vuelvo, tú vuelves, ella vuelve, nosotros volvemos.
Volvemos, vosotros volvéis, ellos, ellas vuelven.
Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Now what he is saying, let's go for the recap. He's saying, por la tarde, volver,
Por la tarde, volveré a casa, cansado pero más feliz que por la mañana.
Yes. So por la tarde, volveré. I come, re-enter. A casa, cansado. Cansado होता है, I will come home, cansado. Go home, which is already in a tired condition. Cansado.
Cansado, pero más feliz. Feliz means happy.
Yes, but I am happy por que por la mañana, then in the morning. Is it clear?
In the morning.
Pero más feliz, but más, I will be more happy, happier. The por la mañana can that of, comparison in the morning. Is it clear to you?
Okay.
Clear?
But happier than in the morning.
In the afternoon, por la tarde, volveré a casa cansando, pero más feliz que por la mañana. Is it clear to you? Tell me yes or no.
No, it's not.
Okay, I will explain to you. Por la tarde. Repetir, por favor. in the afternoon, I come back. Volveré, because I will come back. I will come back in the house. Casando हटा दो वैसे casando में tired होता है confuse कर रहा है. Volveré a casa. I come back to the house. Is it clear to you?
Okay.
Clear? Is it clear to you? So
Yeah, it's
por
clear to
la
me.
tarde volveré a casa, but pero la tarde volveré a casa. It means por la tarde I come back to the house. But más feliz que por la mañana. Repeat it, por favor. Pero más feliz. Repeat it, por favor.
Más feliz.
More happy. Más feliz. But happier than in the morning. They are happier.
But happier than in the morning.
Por la mañana. Is it clear to you?
Por la tarde volveré a casa.
Okay. Is it clear to you?
Pero más feliz que por la mañana.
Yes. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
समझाया फिर भाई कि व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट लेवल कैसा होने वाला है. कुछ क्वेश्चन होगी, कुछ अलग चीजें चलेंगी अभी. इज इट क्लियर टू यू? क्लियर?
सही है.
राइट. सो मैं आपको ये नोटपैड शेयर कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि ज्यादा हैवी नहीं करना, क्योंकि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें हैं ये.
ना ये बहुत ज्यादा, अब इसके अंदर मुझे
यस
काफी कुछ नोट करना है, लर्न करना है.
यस. ओके क्लियर. ओके सो इसको प्रैक्टिस करना. ओके ऑलराइट. देखो वाले.
ओके ऑलराइट.
ओके